Business is tough, but moving does not have to be.
Whether you're moving into a bigger premises because business is booming or downsizing to something more suitable, Dawson's Moving has a package suited to you.
Commercial moves are important to get right. Often, they involve the packing, removal, transport and installation of expensive and important equipment. Failure to get it right can cost you time, productivity and money, so ensuring it is done correctly is critical in ensuring you are back up and running as quickly as possible. Luckily, with Dawson Moving Storage, you will have a trusted partner that specialises in commercial moves. From offices to warehouses and factories, Dawson Moving Storage can handle any commercial move, big or small. With storage solutions and the ability to move pallets, you'll soon understand why Dawson Moving Storage have become known as the Smooth Movers.
We work closely with building management to ensure that lifts are booked and everything's on course for your move. We have access to various vehicles to ensure that your moving needs are all accommodated.
Repeat customers have been a cornerstone of Dawson Moving Storage since our inception.
As a business, we've only ever been owned by successive generations of 2 families. And our many happy customers have been on that journey with us.
We have a range of commercial clients that use us on a regular basis to move between their businesses as required.
As a family business, we understand the importance of achieving a fantastic result in an efficient timeframe.
You can expect the same level of care when it comes to helping your business make its next move.
Call us today and trust Dawson's to help your business move to the next level.